just finished shooting 2 shoes. That's what the Shade team does. We pound it, we grind it out, and we give you the best possible content out there. So hope you enjoyed the styling section. We've got some nice trendy pieces that you might be seeing on the runway. Who knows? But off to do the inside portion now. To another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Sacai Fragment collab done on the Nike LD Waffle. This one is the light smoke gray colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also be sure to hit that join button because we've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So if you're looking to add some shade items to your wardrobe, be sure to head on over to that website after this video is over. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we are going to be discussing some Sacai Fragment Nike LD Waffles today. So we're going to start off with the overview. Then we are going to do some comparisons for some of the older versions. Then we will talk about size and fit on these, followed by how I styled them. So much fun styling these kind of monochromatic colors. Then we will conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump into the overview. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this. It's very monochromatic. We've got a lot of just simple light heather gray tones going throughout this sneaker. Starting with the front of the toe box, you'll notice that we've got some nice premium suede. It's very kind of hairy looking on the front here. Then we've got this silvery gray mesh that leads up to more premium suede that goes on the eyelets around the gray laces that they've accompanied with this simple mesh white tongue that's dual. So we've also got a nylon tongue in the back with some nice, just simple gray outlining. And then we've got a dual branding. We've got the Nike and the lightning bolts for the Fragment logo on the tongue. Then we've got additional pair of laces. So if you're not feeling the gray, you can also add some white laces to the mix. Let's take a look at those details. So moving on to the side panels, you'll notice that we've got our original dual swoosh that we are used to seeing in white leather, and that goes atop the gray mesh, and then we've got some more of that just heather gray premium suede wrapping around to the back. We've got the Nike Sacai logo that's on top of the white leather here. On the midsole base, we've got kind of that writing that we're used to seeing with Fragment, as well as Sacai on the side. Wrapping around, we've got the classic Fragment Sacai logo on the other side of the shoe. And then the midsole is also in a dual color, so we've got that white and gray, and it's finished off with a black outsole. The insole also has just a simplistic gray and white color scheme. Let's take a look at all those final details. All right, so I want to bring out the OG LD Waffle, which was obviously not a collaboration with Fragment. So the only key difference that you're going to find on this is here, we've just got the dual Nike Sacai logo here, whereas in the newer version, you're going to see that this actually has those lightning bolts for the Fragment logo on the back there. Also, you're going to see that there's a Fragment detailing on the side of that midsole, as well as the other side. You're going to see the Fragment kind of logo on the side with the low waffle there as well. So those are kind of the main key differences, but other than that, these are very, very similar in regards to the exact format of the silhouette that we're used to seeing. We've got the mesh with that premium suede going on. Then I'm going to bring out another version of the Vapor Waffle, so that as you can see, this is completely different. It's so much longer than the original LD Waffle, and it's kind of got that kind of fish look on the back, which we're not seeing here. We do have that dual mesh and suede on this one with the dual laces, and same going on with dual tongue. Again, just the only difference is that we got that Fragment branding all across the newer version. All right, so now let's jump into size and fit. So on both of these versions, I know there are two different colors, but that doesn't differentiate the size. I will say that the Sacai LD waffles are typically, from what I've experienced with the older versions, is that they do kind of seem to run quite narrow. I do have narrow feet, so these fit me very well. If you do have wider feet that are a little bit flat-footed, these may actually be necessary to go up half a size. But for me, I did stay true to size. I'm a 7.5. And so if you do have high arch, narrow feet like myself, I would say stick with your true size on these ones. But if you do want a little bit of extra space, maybe go half a size up, but you may also just be fine if you can break these in. These again have some mesh on them, so that will definitely expand over time. All right, so let's jump into styling. So much fun styling this color. It's such an easy color to work with. So for the first look, I have to send a huge shout out to the Champion team for sending me this outfit. So if you're interested in purchasing any of the Champion pieces, be sure to check my links down below. But they were kind enough to send me some pieces from their exclusive Muhammad Ali capsule. So I really wanted to bring some vibrant colors into the mix since we're still in the summertime, and I got some amazing biker shorts in a coral colorway with a matching hoodie that's also in a nice coral colorway. And one of the cool things about this whole capsule, this is the second capsule they've had with Muhammad Ali, and it's basically to remember his time in 1960 when he won the gold medal in Rome. So really cool detailing on that, some nice gold features on the champion logo, as well as Muhammad Ali's name on both of those pieces. For the second look, I wanted to kind of mix up a little bit. This time I wore some nice gray charcoal wide leg business pants with a simple cream knit top that was sleeveless. The last and final look, I wore a gray long sleeve vest with a taupe button down shirt underneath that, and I layered that, which is this nice cream tank top. And for the bottoms, I wore some Essentials taupe colored shorts. You let me know down below, was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these shoes?
Cheap thrills, out for the kill, leaving gold footsteps around me. Colors and lines make me tie-dye, higher than heaven, I'm in the sky. Call me top shelf, carry myself too well. I'm walking around the stairway, straight to all my better days. Looking through rose-colored glasses at all my mistakes, breaking through the ceiling, unfazed. Baby, watch me come alive, come alive. Strike like lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug, I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Runway, glitter and shades, winning the game every time I play. Misery's gone, heart is turned on, neon. I'm twisting around the stairway, straight to all my better days. Looking through rose-colored glasses at all my mistakes, breaking through the ceiling, unfazed. Baby, watch me come alive, come alive. Strike like lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug, I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Like lightning in my lungs, I can't fight it, it's a drug. I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Like lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug, I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way.
All right, so now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. So both colorways retailed at $170. The light smoke gray is doing a little bit better than the black and blue, and that's just because this is set to release September 8th. So that's going to release on the SNKRS app, which makes this one a little bit more limited in comparison to this black and blue colorway. So we'll start with how this is doing on the resale market, since this is already released on the SNKRS app. So the black and blue is going between $300 to $385, while the light smoke gray is going between $310 to $600, obviously depending on what size you are. So definitely I prefer the gray, I think, over the black and blue, just because I think I'm going to be able to work this into my wardrobe a little bit better. It's a clean color, definitely something I see wearing all year round, but this is going to be a great fall colorway as well. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much, everybody, for tuning in. If you're new here today, thanks for joining. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat. I'm serious, actually. We have so much heat, I can't even keep count of how many shoes I have to film for you guys. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing Shade merch store. So head on over to that site after this video is done. Other than that, we will see you on the next episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next one.